Today, you will learn how to keep two words on the same line in Word document using something called a non-breaking space and a non-breaking hyphen. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, let's understand the problem. Normally, when you press the spacebar between two words, Word is allowed to break the line at that space. That means if there is no room left at the end of the line, Word will push the next word to the next line. But sometimes you don't want that to happen. You want both words to stick together no matter what. This is where the non-breaking space comes in. To use a non-breaking space, place your cursor where you want the special space. If you already have a normal space between two words, you can simply drag your mouse over that space to select it. If not, you can delete the space and place your cursor exactly between the two words where you want the space. Now go to the Insert tab at the top of Word. Click on the Symbol option, then click on More Symbols. A new window will open. In this window, go to the Special Characters tab. Here you will see a list of special characters. Find the option called Non-Breaking Space, click on it, then click Insert, and finally click Close. As soon as you do this, Word will automatically adjust the text. Now, the two words on either side of that special space will always stay together on the same line, no matter how much you resize the page or change margins. Word will not separate them. This is perfect for names, numbers with units like 50 kilometers, dates like 12 May, or titles like Dr. John. Now let's talk about another similar problem. Sometimes you have hyphenated words like well-known, part-time, or phone numbers like 0300 123 4567. Word may break the line at the hyphen and push the second part to the next line. This also looks very bad in professional documents. For this, Word gives us another special character called the non-breaking hyphen. The method is almost the same. Place your cursor where the hyphen is, or select the existing hyphen by dragging over it. If there is no hyphen yet, put the cursor where you want to add it between the two words. Again, go to the Insert tab, click Symbol, then More Symbols. Go to the Special Characters tab. This time, select Non-Breaking Hyphen from the list, click Insert, then Close. You will immediately notice that Word keeps the entire hyphenated word on the same line. Even if the line ends, Word will move the whole word to the next line instead of breaking it in the middle. This is very useful for compound words, phone numbers, product codes, and addresses. There is also a faster keyboard shortcut that can save you time. Instead of going through the symbol menu every time, you can press Ctrl Shift Space to insert a non-breaking space instantly. For a non-breaking hyphen, you can press Ctrl Shift Hyphen. These shortcuts are very helpful when you are typing long documents. If you found this trick helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.